Aesthetic Center of Gainesville. My name is Dr. Puya Devuti. I'm happy to have you here. We're going to be talking about Coolsculpting today, and we can have a live demonstration that I would like to show you. If we can go ahead and proceed with that. But wait, I see someone in the corner. Hey, hello, Dr. Walton.
Puya, it's so good to see you
It's so
again.
good, nice to see you too.
Yeah, so good. Well, did you know that we are the only Coolsculpting certified program by plastic surgeons in Northeast Georgia? We are apparently the only ones.
Wow, that's unbelievable. And I guess the only people you should go to is a plastic surgeon that does Coolsculpting.
It almost seems like the logical choice.
It would make sense. Thank you, Dr. Walton.
You're welcome. Great to see you.
It's so good to see you.
We'll talk later.
I'll talk to you soon.
Okay. So nice to see you. Enjoy your session.
Bye.
Wow, that was a nice surprise, wasn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Well, in the meantime, let's talk about Coolsculpting and what it means. So if we come inside, we're going to have our Coolsculpting providers here. I'd like to introduce you to Carla and Melissa.
Hi.
And of course, we have our brave, but not so brave, because it's really not that hard to do this. This is Madison, and she's going to have some areas to work on that we were excited about to talk to you about. So Coolsculpting is a revolutionary technique that is not so revolutionary because it's been around for a long time. It's been over 8 years, and it teaches you how, it gives us the opportunity to get rid of that stubborn areas of fat without actually doing surgery. And it's this procedure that is done in an office. You come in, have this procedure done, and then go home that day with minimal or no downtime and go back to exercising, go back to playing tennis, go back playing basketball, do whatever you like to do. So it's an opportunity for you to have procedure done, get rid of fat, at the same time have the ability to go back to work that same day. Now, Madison, what is some of the reasons you wanted Coolsculpting?
To get rid of my stubborn fat.
Yeah, as you can see, Madison is not, she's obviously in shape. You've had children?
Yes.
And have you thought about doing surgery? Why not do surgery to get rid of that stubborn fat?
Well, I don't have time to miss work.
That's right. She works for us, by the way. Madison, when you come here, you will see Madison. We only do these procedures on people we love. So if you want to be loved, then come to get this done. So Madison does not have time to get off from work, right? So this will be an opportunity for you to get rid of some of that stubborn areas without getting off from work.
Yes.
I would appreciate that as your boss. So thank you. Now, what areas are we talking about in you?
This area and this area.
Okay. It looks like you've been tattooed. Carla, can you tell us what's been going on here?
Yeah, we marked her. We looked for the peak of the area that she was interested in, and we marked an X, and then we used our template so you can see that this is going to be the target area that we'll do first on Madison, and that is the same size as the Cool Advantage applicator that we'll use first on her.
Well, excellent. Now, I've had this done on myself before. I had my love handles here have been shriveled down a little bit more. I don't have as much love anymore here. But it's a procedure that I can tell you it has a little bit of discomfort, but it's not uncomfortable in any shape of way. As you'll see in a second, we're going to apply the applicator real quickly to her abdomen. It's an easy process. That's one of the applicators. As you can see how the suctioning cup that's in there shows about what it can pinch. So whatever that can go into the applicator here, and it can pinch. And by the way, this is the newer applicator. There's some practices out there to have the old-fashioned applicator, and those can be painful. So if you know someone that has had Coolsculpting and they said, oh, that was very uncomfortable, they've probably been using the old system. The new system has just come out in the last 4 or 5 months, and we've got 2 machines giving us the ability to use a new system, which has changed tremendously the amount of discomfort that you had in the procedure. Now, Carla's going to do some prep work here before we get started, and this helps protect the skin, which is all we're about, safety. So go ahead, Carla.
We're just cleaning the skin for 60 seconds with our skin prep wipe. It just protects the skin when we apply the gel pad and then the applicator.
So while she's getting that all prepped out, let's talk about why we have 2 machines. One of the advantages of having 2 machines is we have the ability, as you can see, there's 2 areas we're working on here, with the ability of using the machine at the same time. Now, it's hard to put 2 applicators on the abdomen at the same time, but let's say you come in and you have a love handle and an abdomen. Well, we can put an applicator on your abdomen and one on your love handles, or inner thighs, arms, chin, These are all great areas. The stubborn bra fat. We have also the banana rolls in the posterior thighs. These are areas that's very difficult to do liposuction with and get a great contour. So having the ability to do it with Coolsculpting gives you a uniformity that we've never had as plastic surgeons before.
So now I'm going to apply the gel pad. It's just a sticky pad that protects the skin from the cooling of the applicator. This is going to be wet and sticky, Madison. You want to get the pad smooth on their skin. And then we will be ready to apply the applicator. Okay. All right, are you ready?
This is it. Big moment of truth. Wait, did you say you want to say goodbye to your fat forever?
Goodbye forever.
Here we go.
As you can see, the machine comes in, the suctioning occurs, and just sucks it down. And is that painful?
Not at all.
No, see, she's. I don't hear any screaming, so we're in good shape. So that stays on for approximately 35 minutes. We have comfortable pillows that we can put around to come like a boppy that goes sits on there and helps to keep the applicator in place. While you sit here, bring your phone. We have iPads for you. You can watch TV, whatever you like, and you just sit there and give you 35 minutes. Or if you want the lights off, you can have 35 minutes of sleeping time. This is a perfect opportunity to get to sleep and lose fat at the same time. So this stays on for about 35 minutes, pops off, and then in her scenario, since we're doing the abdomen, we're going to put a second applicator on the her left side once it's all said and done. So that's it. That really is it. Unfortunately, all those years of schooling and something came up with something easier than I could possibly think about. All right, Melissa has some exciting news for us. We recently had a cool event that occurred a couple of weeks ago. We had a slot for 25 people, 60 people signed up, so we had to actually break it up into 2 days. So it was our inaugural event, and we had a tremendous amount of support from the community here, and we're hoping to do that again in the future. But in the meantime, we did run a contest during that event, and we have picked out somebody.
Okay, and so the free cycle goes to Joan Holyfield. She's going to get a free treatment with us here. And then also Megan Corey won a year free of Botox, which she's super excited about.
A year of Botox is unbelievable, and free treatment. This is really good. So we love the fact that we had this opportunity to do that, and since it's our inaugural event, we like to kind of extend the same type of discount that we gave to that same group of people that came. We just didn't have enough room to invite everybody over this time around. So if you guys sign up for Coolsculpting by the end of this week, we will be giving away the same discount as you had before. And also, another contest. Contests are the best. What's better than free? So if we like, share, and comment this video, share with as many people as you can, like it, comment on it, tell people how wonderful it is. We will pick out your name from that list, and you will get also two free treatments of Coolsculpting. So we look forward to that. Thank you so much for putting time watching this video, and we look forward to seeing all you very soon at Aesthetic Center of Gainesville. Thank you.